Hey everybody, Tiny American Dream here. Just wanted to take a quick video about my 95 Subaru Legacy Outback and my electrical issues that I'm having. So, as you can see here, I don't have an alternator. I have the old one at home, but it's dead, so I'm not going to replace that again until I fix the problem. I've already blown out too. Here's my battery. It's also dead right now. So I'm going to follow the wires back here. You wanted to see the specifics. So the braid, or whatever this is, looks to be in really good shape. I don't see any cracks in it or exposed wires down here. So following it back here, joint here, there's a ground connected to the engine right there. This is a new transmission I put in this spring. And the rest of it comes back here to the starter. And this also seems to be in good shape. It's connected well. It was loose actually after I did the transmission, and my uncle helped me tighten it up. Didn't have the muscles I needed at that point. So it seems to be in good shape. I've been looking at the other electrical elements in the vehicle. Like I said, I'm still learning what everything is and how it all works. But I wanted to give everybody an idea of what I'm looking at, what's going on. There's everything. Everything seems to be hooked up properly. I have a pretty good photographic memory, so when I put it back together, I was pretty confident that everything was where it should be. I do have a manual that I can use to reference, but it's very extensive and it's hard to read sometimes. Here's the fuse box. You can see here's the link that we put back together so we could keep playing with it. I was gonna buy one, but it was like 30 bucks including shipping, so I was gonna wait on that. All these fuses were blown here, and we've replaced them since then, but every time we try to turn it over, it blows out the fuse over here. So we are stumped, ready for input. I wish I understood a lot more of this, but I look forward to any advice people can give me on how the heck do I fix this thing. So thanks so much. Tiny American Dream signing out.